In this video, I am going to discuss about the fifth generation cellular network or shortly known as 5G network. I am going to give a brief introduction on the 5G cellular network. Further, I am going to discuss about some salient features of 5G. Then, I am going to explain the technology used in 5G network, its application in the real world, and advantages of 5G. So moving on towards our first slide, we have a brief introduction about 5G cellular network. Fifth generation wireless is the latest iteration of cellular technology engineered to greatly increase the speed and responsiveness of wireless networks. It has many advanced features, potential enough to solve many of the problems of our mundane life. It is beneficial for the government as it can make the governance easier, for the students as it can make available the advanced courses, classes, and materials online. It is easier for the common people as well as it can facilitate them the internet everywhere. 5G will also enable a sharp increase in the amount of data transmitted over wireless systems due to more available bandwidth and advanced antenna technology. Next, we have some salient features of 5G. Fifth generation wireless mobile network, or simply 5G, is the forthcoming revolution of mobile technology. The features and its usability are much beyond the expectation of a normal human being. With its ultra high speed, it has potential enough to change the meaning of a cell phone usability. With the huge array of innovative features, now a smartphone would be more parallel to the laptop. We can use broadband internet connection. Other significant features that fascinate people are gaming options, wider multimedia options, connectivity everywhere, zero latency, faster response time, and high quality sound and HD video that can be transferred from one cell phone to other without compromising with the quality of audio and video. Now we have the technology used in 5G. If we look back, we will find that every next decade, one generation is advancing in the field of mobile technology. Starting from the first generation in 1980s, second generation in 1990s, third generation in the 2000s, fourth generation is starting from 2010, and now fifth generation, we are advancing towards more and more sophisticated and smarter technology. The 5G technology is expected to provide a new frequency band along with wider spectral bandwidth per frequency channel. As of now, the predecessors mobile technologies have evidenced substantial increase in peak bitrate. Then how is 5G different from the previous ones? The answer is it is not only the increase in bitrate made 5G distinct from the 4G, but rather 5G is also advanced in terms of high increased peak bitrate, larger data volume per unit area, high capacity to allow more devices connectivity concurrently and instantaneously, lower battery consumptions, better connectivity irrespective of geographic region in which you are, larger number of supporting devices, lower cost of infrastructural development, high reliability of the communications. As the researchers say, with the wide range of bandwidth radio channels, it is able to support the speed up to 10 Gbps. The 5G Wi-Fi technology will offer contiguous and consistent coverage, wider area mobility in true sense. Now we have some applications of 5G in the real world. 5G technology is adorned with many as well as distinct features, which applicability is useful for a wide range people is irrespective of their purpose as shown in the image. Some of the significant applications of 5G are it will make unified global standard for all. Network availability will be everywhere and will facilitate people to use their computer and such kind of mobile devices anywhere and anytime. Because of the IPv6 technology, visiting care of mobile IP address will be assigned as per the connected network and geographical position. Its application will make world a real Wi-Fi zone. Its cognitive radio technology will facilitate different version of radio technologies to share the same spectrum efficiently. Its application will facilitate people to avail radio signal even at high altitudes. Now we have some advanced in the 5G technology. Application of 5G is very much equivalent to accomplishment of dream. It is integrated with beyond the limit advanced features in comparison to previous technologies. In comparison to the previous radio technologies, 5G has following advancements. practically possible to avail the super speed that is up to 1 to 10 Gbps. Latency will be 1 millisecond, 1000 times bandwidth per unit area, feasibility to connect 10 to 100 number of devices, worldwide coverage, about 90% reduction in network energy usage, battery life will be much longer, and whole world will be a real Wi-Fi zone. Here are some few advantages of 5G. Fifth generation technology offers a wide range of features which are beneficial for all group of people including students, professionals and even for a common man. There are several advantages of 5G technology. Some of the advantages are shown in the image given here. And other advantages are high resolution and bidirectional large bandwidth shaping, technology to gather all network on one platform, more effective and efficient, technology to facilitate subscriber supervision tools for the quick action, most likely will provide a huge broadcasting data which will support more than 60,000 connections, easily manageable with the previous generations, technologically sound to support heterogeneous services, possible to provide uniform, uninterrupted, and consistent connectivity across the world. So finally, I would like to thank you for watching this video.